Thanks to my respected sir who has given me a golden opportunity to stand here. So, first of all, I am introducing myself. Myself, Ayushi Chauhan. My father's name is Mr. Gordon Singh Chauhan. My mother's name is Mrs. Gauri Chauhan. I am 16 years old. I am studying in class 12th. The name of my school is Amarsai Inter College, and my hobby is crafting. So I want to be a teacher. So that's it about me. Now today's topic is a private job and a government job. In every condition, everything contains both things, means a good side and a bad side. So in private job, sometimes private job is good and sometimes private job is bad. So in private job, if we are educated but not much, if we need any job, then we join a private job. So if we if not only we are little educated, then we join a private job. Some people who are so much educated, they also did a private job because they said that in private job we have a lot of salary in many cases. Some people said that the private job is temporary job, but some job is about the private job is we have a component about that thing. So we do that job for 2 years, 3 years. So we make a form or everything for that thing. If we want to do that job in a 2 or 3 years or every many years ago, it depends on us. If we don't want, then we bored about our duty and we thought that I don't want to do this. Then we resign from that job. If we do a government job, in that case, there's a lot of facilities like we feel like a king because it's our thinking. We want to, then we do job that job. Many people thought that if I have a government job, then I am very rich person and I have a lot of things, because in that cases pupils too difficult to get a government job. Now today's population is increases much. That's a big reason about getting a government job, because we have a much competition about exams and our tests. That's why pupils have not much opportunity about that. If we ask any blazer pupil, you get your married about which person, then they always said that if I get married my daughter, then I want a government job bride, sorry, groom. Then they said why? Because they said that if we find a government job boy, means a groom, then he has a lot of money and he has a permanently job. After marriage, his daughter don't find any difficult in our family. That's why they find this. In private jobs, there's jobs are sometimes temporary. If their owner are get angry with them in any cases, then they leave that job. This is the biggest reason of private jobs. People's salary are too low, but in a government job, people's salary are too much. Or private jobs, they have they do a lot of works and also overtimes, but not in but not in but not in government job. They have a limited job or 7-8 hours. They don't do unlimited work for their salaries, and their salary is too high. In my home, my sisters study in school. There's a driver of taunt him because he came late. That's why they gave him a taunt. But if somebody has a government employee, then no one have a no one have no one gave them a taunt of any time because it's a employee. And he passed a lot of exams, and then they joined that job. That's why no one get him any taunt. But sometimes if people do a private job, then if any issue is created, then people taunt by their honors, and pupils who are not much educated, but they tolerate all the things, and the pupil faces a lot of things. I gave you example. My grandfather told me when he was young, then he go outside for doing a job, but her habit is not so. They don't like to live in anyone's pressure. This is the biggest reason, and they also said that it's a problem about me because if we live in anyone's pressure, then if we live anyone's pressure, then we also make a king after some time, but not now. If we tolerate all things, then one day we do big in our life. But when we go outside and for job, that time he thought that why I live in anyone's pressure, because I am educated also. I come here only for business, not for fight another. But there's one honor are too rude, and he talked very rudely to my grandfather. Then my grandfather beat him a lot. After they said that you go your home. Then my grandfather said, I also go at my home. I don't want to business here because I have also found home. That's why they come back, and they said that I don't like government job, but because there's a lot of pressure on pupils about it. So now I talk about education. Education is necessary for everyone. Education is necessary for everyone because education gives us not only job, but also it gives us a power of choosing good or bad things. But people thought that education is only for job. If we get a job, then we also have a good society for that, and we have if we live in a good society, then we also have a power of choosing good or bad things. So education is a gift not only given by teachers, but also our parents. Our parents gives us a social education, which is necessary for all. Because if we don't get that education which our parents give us, then our education is incomplete. If we get a both education, means education never completed, but we have a obtained knowledge because for surviving our life easily. If we are uneducated, then we take up wrong steps in our life, and wrong steps also gives by a bad climate, means a bad society. Bad society is also affected a child. So parents always know about that where our children lived and in which climate they grow up. So if in our life we have a good climate, then we go ahead in our life. Also we need education we have a lot of suffer. We is stuck in lot of suffer at that time. We need a lot of patience, and the patience comes from education. If you are well educated, then you have a lot of patience, because I know this thing. You go in the office of any big person, then you watch this thing very well. Those person who sat on the chair of big person means you met any big person, and then he has a much patience than those person who is not much educated. If somebody is with the knowledge, then he always showing about his ego. And a person who is well educated, he never showing his smartness. It's also looked by others. He never said that I am very intelligent and I do this and I have this. He don't talk about that. If somebody has a big knowledge, then they talk about that. If our knowledge is too good, then we get a job, and also our ability of choosing good or bad things. It's not only depend on we are well educated, then we join a government job. Mostly people who are much educated, they join a private job. Means my grandmother, who lived in Manpuri, he has two sons. They both are doing a private jobs, but their salary is too high than a government job. They lived in Punjab, and the second one in Noida. Maybe I can't learn well, but maybe in Noida or Punjab. But they earn a lot of money than government employee. So it doesn't matter we do any government job, and we do any private job. If we are educated, then we survive our life very easily. Not without money, but we survive our life very easily. That's it. Thanks.